Okay, so we're going to give the week 3 assignment and quiz, problem number 10, another go. Notice the most important piece of information: formulate but do not solve the problem. So they're going to ask you to set up 3 different equations here, and all you got to do is set them up. You don't have to solve them. First of all, you're going to have an investment portfolio that adds up to $175,000 a given year. So when I say portfolio, I mean each year you'll invest that much money. And you have 3 different kinds of stocks, so let's call them high risk, medium, and low, X, Y, and Z. So all total, when I add the 3 different kinds together, we're going to invest $175,000. So that's why it's X plus Y plus Z. High risk plus medium risk plus low risk. Total is $175,000. That's where you get the first equation. The second equation comes from the fact that it says they want the low risk investments, which would be of course Z here, X, Y, Z, is going to be the same as the sum of the other 2. Well, remember that's high risk and medium risk, that's X and Y. So the sum of them would be X plus Y. The sum, X plus Y, is going to be equal to the amount in the low risk, which is Z. So that's where the second equation comes from. Then it says they want you to get a return on your investment of $17,500 per year. So what that means is we want, when we've added the returns of all 3 investments, 3 kinds of investments, high, medium, and low risk, we want that to equal 17.5. So they say for the high risk, we assume 15% a year. We're going to convert that to a decimal, which would be 0.15. So 15% a year, 0.15 times the amount invested in high risk, which of course is X. And then 10% or 0.1 for the medium risk, or Y, and then 5% for the low risk, which is Z. So we add those 3 together, and we want that to come up to equal to 17,500. So this is how you set that up. It does not talk about how to solve it. That's for a later date. This is the correct answer. You'll notice also that the problem, these numbers in red can change. So if you take the quiz more than once, these numbers will change. That's okay. They're just going to, if it says 200,000 here, you write 200,000 there. And if it says 20,000 here, you write 20,000 there. If it says 20% here, you write 0.20 there. If it says 10% there, you would write if it said 15% here, you write 0.15y, and so on.